Come on. Oh, come on.
I'm going for it, Jason.
No.
Jason,
Get your hands off that.
no.
So we're heading to Copart today.
Copart. East.
Maybe one or two of them. We'll see what happens.
Yeah.
But we're gonna check out some trucks.
Heck yeah.
See how that goes. I should do a whole video on how many times the conversation topic changes.
It does change drastically, quite without any sort of warning.
But
Just happens.
it does just happen.
My mind runs at about 100 miles an hour. You know, like Elon Musk?
Your body goes at 100 miles an hour too.
Yeah.
Like, you can't sit still.
No. You know how Elon Musk, can't ever stop thinking about solving problems? I'm like that, except for I'm about useless information.
It's exactly the same as Elon Musk.
Exactly the same. Except
Nothing important.
nothing important. Ever. It's just constant.
There's something about self-deprecating humor that's, I don't know, it's funny.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know. I think we've just spent the last 40 minutes
Waiting for my sandwich.
simply just trying to get out of town.
Waiting for my sandwich.
Anyway, so we're heading to Copart today. We're hoping to look at some trucks. We're working on getting some financing to buy our first truck,
First truck.
which is super exciting. So hopefully within the next few weeks, we'll hit our money. And then after that, find a truck that we can buy.
And then buy a truck.
Buy a truck and bring it home. It's gonna be awesome. I'm
Yep.
excited about it.
So
I really want a Ford
You
Raptor,
had
but
the no onion bagel?
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
Yeah.
here you go.
Thank you, ma'am, and you
Y'all
have a
good one.
wonderful day.
Thank y'all for being patient.
yep.
And what I got here is a bagel wrapped with steak.
What? You got a what?
Bagel wrapped steak.
So we're gonna put the meat on the outside?
No. It's bagel wrapped steak.
Oh,
Yeah, just let it
it
happen.
kind of
Just let
sounded
it
like the
happen.
steak
No,
wrapping the bagel. I've never quite heard of that
Listen.
before. It was new to me.
it's not really like stuff you should ever think about.
Right.
All right, so what you do is you get your steak, egg, and cheese bagel, right? And you throw your hash brown up in the middle of that jank, bruh. And then you got yourself a happy bagel.
True. The thing's gigantic. Do you have to unhinge your bottom jaw in order to get in your mouth?
No, you just have to have a big mouth.
I think everybody wants to watch us eat for 10 minutes.
I think they do.
Have you ever had this?
Yeah, sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit
man.
or McMuffin is one of my favorites.
So good.
But I only buy those when I get them for 2 for $3. Because I need 2 of them to make it worth it. That's a beautiful truck.
I mean, that's more what I would think your thing would be.
That's what we need, one of those. So,
Big Power Stroke diesel with dually on the back.
oh no, don't get me wrong. I love both of them. We need one of those so we can pull a trailer like that.
Yeah, that big giant
Yeah.
sloped one. How many vehicles are we gonna buy at a time?
As many as we can afford. The best part is I'm gonna be the guy who makes all his neighbors move.
Why is that? Because you're gonna have cars everywhere?
Yeah. And always gonna be working on something.
Rats.
Oh, did you drop egg or sausage?
Not quite as bad.
Not quite as bad. The manatee. Is it a manatee or is it a walrus?
It's a manatee.
You know what the manatees are called?
Sea cow. Is that right?
Speed bumps of the ocean.
That's true. That's true. They've been hit lots of times.
So off to Copart we go.
So we live in South Atlanta,
But what?
and so we have access to 3 of them, probably within what,
40
an
minutes?
hour or so. Yeah.
And then we're within an access of like 2 other ones within an hour and a half.
Yeah, let's go.
I don't know. I got distracted. ADHD.
Do you have ADHD?
I have it all.
What else? What makes it more than ADHD?
Me. Plus that.
There's ADHD and then there's Ryan, or what? Like, what's the deal?
So like even my eyes have it, right? So like I have to wear glasses not because of eyesight issues, but because my eyes are constantly focusing in and out of things. So when the doctor told me that, I was like, so even my eyeballs have ADHD. They can't stay focused. And he said, I never have heard anyone refer to it that way, but yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Not what he said.
Yeah.
He's never heard of that before.
Not referred to it that way.
Oh, referred. So it's not a new thing for him, but the way it was laid out.
Yes.
Yeah.
The way Ryan approached it.
And here we are at Copart. This is actually the first of 2 stops that we made. We went to Copart East, which is East Atlanta. We ran over to Copart South, which is southerly, but not really. And we probably looked at 30 different trucks, at least 30 different trucks. It was crazy. Everything from Ford F-150s to Toyota Tundras to Ford F-250s, 350s, and then a lot of stuff that Ryan wanted to look at. There was all kinds of stuff. We were like literally kids in a candy store. It was pretty crazy. But we learned some things. We learned exactly kind of what we're looking for this first vehicle. First of all, we're looking for something that's wrecked that's going to be interesting for you guys to watch. And so that was a very important value for us. Second thing we learned is we want to find something that is only wrecked on either the driver or the passenger side and not the whole entire front end, at least for the first one. Mainly just because we're trying to get in and out of this as cheaply as we possibly can. So by only having one corner, we don't have to do 2 quarter panels. We might not have to get a hood. We might have to not have to get 2 headlights or turn signals and that sort of thing. So we just get one of those rather than 2. So we reduce our costs a lot. So we found a truck. And this footage is us actually bidding on that truck. So check it out. You'll see what happens. All right, sweet.
Our watch item's next on the block, Jason. Are you anxious?
Mm-hmm.
I'm a little anxious. I'm like a little kid in a candy store right now.
4,500 max.
4,500, right? No matter what.
Okay.
No matter what. This is a good test of our resolve.
Yeah,
we can move over. Actually, you can do it.
No, you do it. I think it's $50 increments. Is that us?
Yeah, that's us.
Wait. What are you doing?
I'm bidding.
Just wait. Wait. What are you doing?
We're a new bidder.
You're not clicking.
We've been outbid.
It's fine.
$50 off our max. Big dude. Uh-oh. We're winning.
I can get it.
We're winning. We're winning. We're winning. No!
South Carolina, there's 2. There's the other one there too.
Do we want to even?
No.
It's $50.
That's right.
It's $50. I got an extra $100. It's $50. I can get that.
This is the problem with bidding. This is the problem with you. Right here. 4,600?
No!
I told you. That's the problem.
Well, now it would be 46.50, right? No, it would be 47. So these two are gonna keep going back at each other. 46.50. $150 we missed it by.
That's right. It's on reserve though. It may not even go for that. But see, here's the great thing about that. Here's what's great. Originally, what we talked about was our budget was higher than that. you know?
Yeah, I mean, if we...
So when we get our other money...
Right, when we get financing, we'll be able to... We would have won that truck.
Oh, easy.
Yeah, but because we had a set limit that we currently have in cash, we didn't want to go over that, and that exceeded that.
Yeah.
So, well, that was fun.
The problem is you just kept clicking.
Oh, I was clicking the plus button. I didn't actually hit bid yet.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I was messing with you.
Okay.
I was doing this right here. Just to mess with you. I didn't actually do this.
Okay.
Which we don't want to do that right now.
No.
Because I don't think we want a 2013 Camry, do you?
No, we don't. That's hilarious.
So yeah, I was just tormenting your...
I was wondering, like, you're clicking away. I'm like, what are you clicking?
I might have been doing it.
Like, you've been banned. You've been banned from the clicker.
I was maybe doing that for the video. Create intrigue.
Oh, there's lots of intrigue, that's for sure. It's hilarious.
Yeah, and I knew you would eventually kick me off of it, so
Yeah.
I hit bid, and then you're like, that's it.
Hilarious.
We lost it by $150. This is our first ever Copart bidding auction, and we lost the truck that we not only went and saw, not only have every single detail of what is wrong, parts list, and total cost of repairs. We lost that truck. Gone for $150.
I think this seems like it really hurts you, Ryan.
On to the next one. What's up, jammers? Well, we didn't win a truck.
That's right. But it was a fun weekend. We had a really great time, actually.
Yeah, it was cool going there, seeing the people. Copart people are super helpful, super great people to work with.
Yeah.
William at Copart South, great guy. Had a
Yeah.
blast with him.
We loved it. We just drove around on a golf cart and looked at trucks for like 2 hours.
It was awesome.
It was
Can't
great.
go wrong.
We walked 2 lots, actually. We went Copart South and Copart East.
Yep, Copart East was cool.
We probably looked at, what, 20 trucks
Plus,
or something
at
like
least.
that. A lot of them that we didn't, for our first truck, we didn't really like.
Wasn't worth the risk.
Yeah, a little bit too much. So we're trying to pick the right truck
Yep.
that's going to be interesting to you guys. So
Yeah.
anyway, that's kind
And
of where we're
Jason wants one that actually needs work, and I'm all about like ones that just need tires.
at. Right. Right.
It's
So
not gonna be
anyway.
enough.
So anyway, well, we're thankful for you guys watching.
Yeah.
We appreciate it a ton. Thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing, follow us on Instagram and all that stuff. We really appreciate it. We are looking forward to, hopefully here in the next few weeks, getting our first truck and doing a rebuild. So stick with us, all right?
And we'll see you next time. Jammer Nation!